Hello, my name is Glenn. I'm from Dublin, Ireland, and I come from a background of construction, so I'm happy to come here and do the procedure. I've always had a good head of hair up to the age of approximately 43, 44. I'm now 47, so I've experienced a rapid hair loss the last year and a half, 2 years, and I've decided to take necessary measures and try and increase my appearance. Only very recently, maybe the last 6 months, that's all, yeah. And like I said, we started to lose it later on. So only the last year and a half became more rapidly. I'm very more noticeable. So I just thought I'd make a difference and increase my appearance. Any questions asked was answered nearly immediately. Very understanding. Always there for help. Loads of information. You from the first point of contact, somebody with you all the way. You send a text, send a photograph, the doctor, you deal with one person. It's a fantastic experience. I've would highly recommend it. Yeah, it's very, very easy experience from the word go. The design, it's all agreed before you go to the design. You tell them what you want. If you want kind of an upstand, hair quiff, I suppose, or a more natural look. So that's all kind of agreed. And then you go into the designer room and he'll speak with you again and he'll measure all out. He'll ask you if you have any photographs, how you'd like to see it. He shows you a few that they've done. And this is what, more of a natural look. If you want a natural look, a side look, a shaved head look, a buzz cut, but not very attentive, and they won't do anything, no pressure whatsoever. I arrived here with very nervous, very quick, very, very quick, very easy, no pain. I've heard some stories back home from different clinics, I'm not sure which ones, but everyone talks about this big needle. Nobody likes needles, nobody. I don't know anyone who does like them. Everyone keeps talking about this big needle going into the back of your neck, down your neck, 4 or 5 inches long. It didn't happen, there's no big needle. I've never had Botox. I believe it's no more than simple Botox shots. That's all it is. You maybe get 4 each side of the head, a few around the temple. On a scale of 1 to 10, without being bravo, on a scale of 1 to 10 of pain, I would say maybe a 3 to 4, no more. We all have this concept of Turkey and Istanbul being a bit dangerous and sleazy and a bit dirty. I don't know where or what, but Istanbul, this clinic, I'm not trying to sell it. It's fabulous. Look around the clinic. The area, the hotel, the walkways, the restaurants, like the hotel that these guys provide is 5-star plus. It's on the promenade right at the water side, beautiful views. The hotel staff can't do enough. And don't be afraid to do it, because everyone thinks you're going to come here and you're going to be looked at. You're in the same boat as many. In the hotels, a lot of people having the same procedure, and it's very normal. It's the done thing and nobody's looking twice. They've seen it a million times. It's fine. Just take the plunge and you'll be happy.